50 everyday English sentences for complete beginners. Hi, let's learn 50 simple English sentences. Repeat after me. 1. Hello. 2. How are you? 3. I'm fine. 4. Thank you. 5. What's your name? 6. My name is Anna. 7. Nice to meet you. 8. Where are you from? 9. I'm from Italy. 10. I live in Paris. 11. How old are you? 12. I am 25 years old. 13. Do you speak English? 14. Yes, a little. 15. I don't understand. 16. Can you help me? 17. Please. 18. Thank you very much. 19. You're welcome. 20. Excuse me. 21. I'm sorry. 22. What time is it? 23. It's 3 o'clock. 24. Where's the toilet? 25. Over there. 26. I'm hungry. 27. Let's eat. 28. I'm thirsty. 29. I like coffee. 30. I don't like tea. 31. It's hot today. 32. It's cold outside. 33. I'm tired. 34. I want to sleep. 35. Wake up. 36. Let's go. 37. Stop. 38. Look. 39. Be careful. 40. I love you. 41. I have a question. 42. What is this? 43rd. It's a book. 44. That's my bag. 45. I have a cat. 46. I don't have a dog. 47. See you later. 48. Goodbye. 49. Have a nice day. 50. Good night. Great job. See you next time.